Well, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Kingdom Faith Outdoors channel. My name is Miguel Fuentes, and today is Tuesday, and I am off today. I'm so glad, and so far I caught one really big catfish, and I missed two really big catfish. And so hopefully we can catch some really big catfish today, because I think they're all over the place today. So hopefully there's a lot of big catfish around here or something in particular. But yeah. So I've been working 6 days straight, and I'm glad because I really need that cash. And also I did change my healthcare plan. Fortunately, I couldn't change the CVS one, but I did grab United Healthcare to be my next go. And yes, I do have to pay $130 for my premium, but it's better than none. I learned how to appreciate um, every step of the way. I really appreciate what God has given me the wisdom to do so, and it's been good. It's been good. But so yeah, so my enrollment is going to be starting on May 1st, and I'm going to be calling my doctor's office to change my insurance, so I'm no longer be part. So I'm going to check and see if I can change my home insurance. Or yeah. So anyway, that's a whole random thing, but it's been good. It's been good. Um, we will see what we're gonna have. We may. Oh, ah, thought I had something. Thought I had something. Yeah, there's something there. It may take a while, but hopefully everything will be turned out great. Yeah, something is chewing my worms. May I have to switch to a different hook now because I don't think there's any other way to explain it, but and I don't want to change my hook again because I may accidentally catch a big fish again, and I don't want to go through it. Look like they're there. Looks like someone's trying to do some bird watching, so very interesting. You know, birds are pretty interesting animals. Especially we got balded owls here, we got bald eagles, osprey, sparrows, and hawks and stuff like that. Very interesting. Don't know what's that, but okay. Alright, let's do one more and then we'll start our devotion. Alright. We may have to. Alright, well, let's go ahead and. Yeah, I took one more. Let's go ahead and do a devotional and then we'll. I don't know how to change my hook, so. Alright, so in today's verse, we're going to be reading Matthew chapter 21, verse 13 says, "And he said to them, it is written, my house shall be called a house of prayer, but you have made it a den of thieves." This is a very important, really important statement from Jesus. See, we got to understand that in God's house is the house of prayer. It's not a house of merchandises. It's not. We don't sell things in the church. That's why it's so important to not sell things in the church, but give something for free. You know, and you know, I always preach the gospel for free. I always preach the word for free. I don't get any donations unless you're led. I don't say sow me a seed of this certain amount and you'll receive this. No, that's not how it works. God wanted us to start having a house of prayer in this livelihood, and I know for a fact that it is by the grace of God, but that we got to do it. We got to do it. We got to love the way what Jesus wanted us to do is to make us the temple of the Holy Spirit, to be a house of prayer. And we thank the Lord for who He is, and you know, this is going to be an amazing Holy Week. I just know it, and so I may do a Easter special on Saturday, and I'll post it tomorrow. I'll post it on Sunday to make a Easter Sunday or Resurrection Day Sunday. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. May God bless you. May God keep you. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.